Yeah, I'm really grateful for the community we've built. You guys are very supportive. All those comments, I read every single one of them. It really gave me some motivation, man. I think I'm still gonna let the 540 sit for a little bit, just kick back, relax, take a little break, you know what I'm saying? Go through a little phase or two, and maybe get back to it. We'll see what's gonna happen. I made those OBDC t-shirts. I don't know if you guys are familiar with those. I made a little bit, but I didn't make those solely to support the 540. I just made those because one day I was sitting in the car pretty stoned, and I was like, hey, that would be a great idea. What I'm trying to say is, if you guys want to help support the 540, maybe a rebuild or whatever I'm going to do with that car, I'll make a shirt dedicated to that. Whatever that brings in, we'll go straight into that car. I missed the car, but in this video, I just want to share with you guys this baby here. Let me know right now if anybody has experienced a K-bike. It's bizarre to wrap my mind around this, right? Back in 1980s, they had E30s, E28s, and then, E34s are coming later down the line. But you can buy one of those cars, or you could buy a Motorrad, and it would be like one of these bikes. It's the same time. I'm just stuck in a time zone where, one day I'll probably move up to the future or in the present day. But right now, I'm just stuck in the vintage time. And this thing, we come from BMW cars, right? Just imagine the motorbike. The cars are smooth, right? The bike is just as good. The damn company, the damn Germans are great. And everything, damn near. The video, we're going to talk about the K-bike. Don't worry, it's not going to be a 100% bike channel. Just going through a little phase right now. The more I start paying attention to the bike, the more I start realizing how cool this damn thing is. I didn't want to get such an old bike because things are going to need some tender, loving care, some TLC. That TLC is starting to get me back into my little wrenching and tinkering with stuff and making me fall in love with it again. Because at first, I kind of was like, I don't want to do nothing. But this bike is bringing me slowly but surely. Let me tell you one of the cool things that I don't know if you see it already, but if you pay attention, you can see, look, BMW put kidney grills on a damn bike. It's like iconic BMW stuff. Are you familiar with this motor? Does it look anything similar to a four-banger M42? Just like different trim levels in the cars, there's different trim levels in the bike. I got, I think this is like the medium trim level. I would like the M5 of the bikes, but I'm just getting into this bike world, so I don't think I need to get that deep. But if you pay attention, it's basically a 3-cylinder M42. You can get a 4-cylinder one, which is a K100, but I got a K75. Not only is it a K75, it's a K75c, I believe, and you can tell by the fairings that it comes with. I'm not sure if you guys really care about all this stuff, but I've been digging and researching and learning a lot about these damn bikes. This is my daily right now. The Prius took a shite. Let me tell you, daily in a motorcycle, it's been a journey. I'll speak for California since I live here. In Cali, not many people ride bikes, and we have beautiful weather. You'll see a couple bikes here and there, but for the most part, it's just nothing but cars on the road. I took trips to Asia, took trips to Mexico. Motorbikes around the world is a little bit more present than it is here. If I had to pick a category of bikes, I think I'll choose adventure bikes. Your boy's just like a little adventure enthusiast. But then again, the cafe style bikes are cool. I don't know, man. There's a lot of categories out there. But those two really grab my attention. And what's strange is this bike kind of fits in that category. As of right now, I just want this to be able to go on long distance. If you know anything about these bikes, these bars here allow saddlebags for more luggage. I think I'm going to just go with the whole touring aspect. The bike is pretty heavy. It's 500 pounds. 3-cylinder sounds good. I've been so hesitant to make a custom exhaust. I keep telling myself, no modifications to the bike. A little startup for you guys. It's kind of cold, so I'm going to throw the choke on. Yeah. Man, I'm so tempted to cut this exhaust and do something with it. I'm pretty sure I left so much specs out of the bike, but I don't want to bore you guys. But I do want to show you my helmet setup, right? This is previous helmet setup. Yeah, this helmet is swag, bro. Look how nice it looks. It just looks so good, you feel me? I wish this thing had a visor. I would have kept this helmet, but it doesn't. And that's the thing. This is the fastest and the heaviest bike I've owned, so kind of needed something with a visor because the wind noise on this baby, not with it. And I want to take you guys on a ride with me, so I need audio. So then I picked up this baby. Personally, I don't really like the tinted visor. I mean, it's cool and all for right now, but I don't see myself running it forever because at nighttime it's pretty damn dark. Another thing about this helmet, it gives me the Daft Punk vibes. Like, whoa, what's up, fellas? We are now on the bike. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. This is the first test ever. The audio might be too loud. Cameras are probably not at the right angle, but we're gonna just dive into it, man. This is the beginning of new beginnings out here. All right, let's start this up. Bike is cold. We're gonna leave the choke on. So, yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all what I kind of want to be doing. So let me put this down so it can be more. Yeah, this is also a test for me to understand how it's going to be going on in the future, you feel me? Because I don't even know how this sounds. I could see how it looks, but for the most part, I don't know what's going on. Alright, let's go. Yo, I can't wait, man. This is going to be so sick. If I have a good setup, the setup that I want in my head is going to be so sick to take you guys places where I'm going. If hopefully the audio is good like this, because then all I'm going to need is just minor things. All the equipment that I had for making these videos came in clutch because all I needed to do was buy like an extra little pieces here and there, and it's just like I needed this helmet because the visor closing down is going to allow me to speak way better. I would like another angle so you guys can see what's going on. Right now you can't really see what's going on. I could damn near smack my head on the there we go. Damn near smack my head on the ceiling, but let me see if I can touch it. Yep. Man, I'm just giving you guys a taste though. I've been going everywhere on this damn bike. And the bike is it's not a sluggish little, it goes. Okay, how's that wind noise test? Yeah, that's something that I'm worried about, is the wind noise. Oh, coming in hot! I wasn't expecting no one to be here. Yeah, that's one of the biggest things that I was worrying about is the wind noise. I might have to do something when I'm editing, but for the most part, how does this sound? Cruising at 30 miles per hour. Let's speed up a little bit. Drop down a second. Oh yeah. Yeah, let me know how that wind noise sounds because it's coming in hot. At least on my ears. Ooh. 750 right there. Yeah, see, you guys can't even see what I'm looking at. There's a freaking E38 750. Oh, that's what I wanted to talk about. Believe it or not, few people told me, hey, you inspired me to get E34. I actually got my E34, which that is amazing, right? But for this bike, really do your research, really find out if you want a bike or not. Yeah, people behind me, I don't know if you can see them, but it looked like they weren't going to stop for a second, you feel me? But do your research if you want a bike and what bike you should get, because they say it's not if you're going to fall, it's when you're going to fall. I kind of almost already fell. I was hard braking and there was dust on the floor. I had to put my foot down. And as I put my foot down, I kind of like jerked up a little bit and caught traction. That was a little scary, to be honest. I was like, damn, falling's it's not gonna be the best. It's gonna be a little lame. How you doing, sir? Man, yeah, see, this is like what I want to do with you guys, man. We're about to explore the whole world. Maybe I could suction cup you guys on the top of my forehead. Reality, we should probably turn back because I left all my camera gear and my helmet up there, so yeah. But this is like adventure touring, you know what I'm talking about. It does go on the dirt. I've never been this far, so I wonder where we're going. Whoa, whoa. Oh, camera's still here. We're good, but it's dead. Alright. Well. What do you guys think, man? This is just a brief insight of the future. I'm not sure if I'm not sure if I should be talking that loud because the mic is right here. But I'm going to keep doing some research on the motovlog setup, and in the future I'll take you guys on some long distant road trips. I get 180 miles to the tank with this baby, so next time we'll go somewhere 180 miles away. But in the meantime, see you guys in the next video. And thanks for watching, subscribing, commenting, all on that last video. It really motivated me and inspired me, and I was just grateful to see all those comments. Like, people on the internet actually care how your boy be feeling, you know what I'm saying? And it just be like that sometimes, you know? Some things happen to us where we could just learn and overcome our challenges and be better. So yeah, I know I could fix that car. I've done it multiple times. I know I could do it. I just don't really have the motivation right now. And I know, like, if you guys want to help, the bread will help me be motivated. It's not only about the money. It's just the fact that the car is not gonna be like, it's not gonna be like a Virgin no more. It's like if it got ran through. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but I'll fix it. I'll just make sure that I do something cool to make up for the fact that it's not a Virgin no more. Probably throw a supercharger on it. I don't know. But in the meantime, we're going through our little phase here. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, comment, all that famous YouTube stuff. Your boy's out. See you in the next one.